The US is fast consolidating its position as India's largest arms supplier with a flurry of new defense deals and joint projects. After having inked the expansive new 10-year defense framework in June and bagging contracts worth $10 billion over the last 8 years. Sources said the Manohar Parrikar-led Defense Acquisitions Council (DAC) in its meeting slated for Tuesday is likely to clear the decks for acquisition of another 4 P-8Is long-range maritime patrol aircraft for almost $1 billion. The Contract Negotiation Committee (CNC) has completed its work. Now the DAC approval is needed for the offsets deviation. The proposed contract will then go to the Finance Ministry for vetting before the Cabinet Committee on Security (CCS) for the final nod, said a source. The follow-on contract comes even as the Navy has now inducted 7 of the 8 P-8Is ordered from Boeing in the $2.1 billion deal inked in January 2009. Based at the Arakkonam Naval Air Station in Tamil Nadu, these radar-packed aircraft serve as intelligent hawk eyes over the Indian Ocean. They are also armed with deadly Harpoon Block II missiles, Mk-54 lightweight torpedoes, rockets and depth charges to take on enemy warships and submarines. Artillery manufacturer BAE Systems in turn will tie up with an Indian partner to set up a production base here on the lines of its facility at Hattiesburg, Mississippi in the US. The Ordnance Factory Board and PSU BHEL, as well as private players like L&T, Mahindra, Tata, VEM Technologies and Reliance Defense Systems are in the fray for the project. While project agreements for military mobile generators and chemical biological warfare protection gear have already been finalized, similar packs for Raven mini spy drones and roll-on roll-off mission modules for C-130J Super Hercules aircraft are on the cards. But it will be proposed joint development of jet engines and aircraft carrier design and construction technologies, which includes EMALS, electromagnetic aircraft launch systems developed by General Atomics, that will be the big ticket items under the DTTI.